The U.S. CHIPS Act, passed in 2022, is a landmark policy with a massive $52 billion investment aimed at revitalizing domestic semiconductor manufacturing. Today, nearly 75% of the world's semiconductors are produced in East Asia, a dependence that became painfully clear when COVID-19 disrupted global supply chains. This act seeks to address that vulnerability by reducing reliance on foreign chips, critical for industries from automotive to healthcare. Historically, the U.S. led in semiconductor innovation, producing 37% of global chips in the 1990s. But rising costs led to manufacturing moving overseas. Now, the U.S. produces only 12% of the world's semiconductors. The CHIPS Act aims to reverse that trend by funding new manufacturing facilities, like those Intel and TSMC are building in Arizona, which could boost production by 2024. The impact goes beyond technology. Semiconductors are crucial to the U.S. economy and national security. Advanced chips power defense, AI, and communications. A reliable domestic supply is essential to maintain the U.S. lead in these critical sectors. The CHIPS Act aims to prevent reliance on potential adversaries and strengthen the U.S. chip supply chain. But not everyone's convinced. Critics argue that subsidies alone may fall short. Building semiconductor fabs takes years, and the U.S. faces a shortage of skilled labor, which could delay progress. Addressing these workforce and supply chain issues will be key to the Act's success. Will the CHIPS Act deliver on its promises, or is it just political hype? Only time will tell if this investment will secure America's tech future and reshape the global semiconductor landscape.